need all that.
Gonna know something dumb real quick? I was so excited this morning about flying. My watch thinks I worked out for 17.
Oh my gosh.
AOPA keeps flying safe, accessible, and fun by protecting your freedom to fly. We are the most trusted one-stop resource for all things related to general aviation. Become an AOPA pilot today.
We have some cool gear from Sporty's. Emily, what's the worst thing that could possibly happen while you're flying in an airplane other than imminent death?
Running out of snacks.
And after that? What if your
so
device dies?
That is the worst thing that could happen. Let's try that again.
Yeah, what if your device dies? Well, it just so happens Sporty's has this battery. Wow, it is really bright in here. This battery.
You're not a good influencer.
I know.
Do it like.
And it's got a flashlight on it. Yeah, there you go. It'll also flash SOS. And it'll charge your device right here. Got a cable that comes with it. Or, what? You've got the lightning plug and the USB-C. Oh yeah. Do you think you can charge two devices at once?
You want to find out?
Yeah, let's try it.
Do it.
I've got the USB-C.
Chargeify me.
Chargeify. Yo, it's charging mine.
Hey, mine too.
Hey, look at that. You can charge two at a time. 2,000 milliamp hours over here. That's cool.
Now the worst thing will happen.
It's got this cool thing you can put on your key ring too, or a belt loop, or a flight bag.
Or a chapstick.
Yeah, you can put it on chapstick. See? You hold, please?
Hold, please.
Hold, please. And then we've got
cool.
this other cool charger. Oh, fancy. Got the VFR and IFR cruising altitudes on it, and we're heading east right now. So east is odd, west is even odder. So we're at the right altitude for that. However, you have a MagSafe case. You can slap it on there, hit the power button, starts charging right away. And it's going to be hard to see in the sun. But right here, it tells you how much juice this battery's got left. 10,000 milliamp hours. Holds on there really well for those bumpy flights. And it also has the lightning and the USB-C.
That's really cool.
I am really terrible at this. Emily, you can be the... Yeah, that's better. Thank you.
Come on, man. You don't watch makeup videos, do you?
No, don't. I really should.
Really should.
And Sporty's is a
premier partner.
AOPA, isn't that right?
It is. I've seen it on the website.
Yes.
Great things from Sporty's.
Yes, we do like Sporty's. I've also got this giant bag that you literally can put anything in. It's huge. I could put Emily's entire face in here. Do you need a neck pillow? Are you feeling uncomfortable?
I was feeling fatigued.
There's a neck pillow here. Let's pop this bad boy open.
You didn't sweat on that, did you?
No, I've not used it yet.
Oh, good. Thank you.
But I bet it's pretty cool. This is an unboxing. Check that out. It's soft.
Gonna touch it.
Yeah,
that's really
I
nice.
consent. And then you don't have to blow on it. It has a pump right here. You pump it up. I should probably have read the instructions on how to do this.
A few moments later. 2,000 years later.
I will be really good at texting after I do this.
This is really cool.
Anyway, you pump it up as big as you want. Guess you put that there. Look, it's even got a little thing for your neck. Imagine that in a neck pillow. You can snap it right there like that.
So if you have a little head like me.
Yeah,
It'd be nice and
I don't know if
comfy.
you were able to see that on the camera, but here, you can have that if you want it.
Thanks. Can I wear it now?
Yeah.
I could fall asleep if this weren't bumpy.
Oh, you heard it here.
This is really cozy.
What else do we want to say about stuff?
I can't hear you. The comfort I'm experiencing right now.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
You know what's cool about this?
What is that?
It's not massive, so if we were actually on like in a tight plane, I would be like hitting you with my neck pillow.
Oh, I just see it closes here as well if you need to.
Are you trying to strangle me right now?
Maybe. Maybe.
Oh my god, this is so nice. Thanks, Sporties.
Yes.
I'm keeping this.
No, you can't have that.
No, I'm going to. I'm wearing this in all my meetings. Comfort first, marketing second.
There is more in this bag.
But wait, there's more.
But wait, there's more. There's a water bottle.
Bada bada.
Water bottle.
Oh.
Check that out. It's got engine checklists, VFR, IFR altitudes, emergency checklist, in-flight checklist, light gun signals. And this thing's awesome. Transponder codes. I'm going to start transmitting 7500 because Emily is going to probably hit me at some point, knock me unconscious, and take over the airplane.
Probably. But
That's
I
pretty
look
cool
really
too.
Cool doing it.
Flip top lid, and nice draw. You can get every last drop out of there without having to tip it up, which is hard to do on an airplane. It's the ceiling. So that's pretty cool. What's the size of that? A 20 ounce? We're gonna say 20 ounce.
Funny.
It probably said on the box that I yeeted into the back of the airplane.
This is actually very, very cool. I like the texture on it too.
It is textured.
Textured. If I were a 14-year-old boy, I could put 2 Diet Cokes in here, but I am not, so I would add water.
Why would you put Diet Coke in there?
I chose this. I will remind you.
I did agree to this. There you have it. Product reviews with Eric.
Like,
and Emily.
comment, subscribe for more thrilling content and
Yeah.
keeping of unnecessary things.
Yes, what does Trent Palmer says? Like this video. Yeah, if you like this, what does he say?
That was not it.
Like this video if you do, subscribe if you haven't, come be my wingman.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, something like that. I don't know what my catchphrase is going to be. It's not that. I'm sure it's trademarked, so whatever.
Well, the
Now
Lord,
fly with me.
the Lord Yoinketh. Don't. It's a trap.